Yeah, so today's topic was Domino's Pizza, and the video that I watched, it showed that you see once in 2009 when Domino's Pizza just began, it was at very bad condition, at its worst condition because the quality of the pizza was extremely poor as compared to as of now. Extremely poor quality, and customer generally hated eating it. And so what they did was there was a lot of criticism and lot of complaint. So what the founder did was she decided to take the criticism as an advantage and turned it into another business opportunity. So what he did was instead of ignoring the customers, he listened what they're trying to say. And from that day onward, from 2010 or 11 onward, they tried to change their pizza, the process of making pizza. And then what they did was after making a pizza, they made a very bold move. After making a pizza, when a customer ordered that particular pizza, the chef who made that pizza, they personally went to that person's house, the customer's house, and they made a video record and they made the customer to eat the pizza in front of them so that they can record what the customers are saying about them. So that was a very bold move, and the customer was generally delighted the changes made by them. The pizza became more tasteful, more tasty, and more crispy as compared to the previous one. And in that way, Domino's Pizza, the stocks of the Domino's Pizza, they that went up to more than 2000% increase. So that was one of their marketing plan. So Indeed, have you ate Domino's Pizza? Have you ordered any pizza from Domino's? There you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Did you ask me? Actually, I get a
Yeah,
call.
yeah. The question was, have you ever ordered any pizza from Domino's?
Yeah, so many times.
How many times? So why do you like it?
It's everyday valuable order EVD something is there,
What
like
is
in
that?
cheapest price. EVD, everyday value order or everyday order value something. Okay, let me check what is that.
Okay.
It's always on actually. It's
So
EVD,
yeah, say
EDV, EDV,
EDP.
everyday value or something. Yeah. So here
Okay.
we get the like now I'm saying you. For example, there is a pizza. It's a Keema do Piazza. Actual price is 305, but I'm getting here 199. But
Hmm.
I have to take any two pizza. Like other pizza is again 305, Achari do Piazza 199, whatever. So I'm doing from this. It's like very cheapest, which quality Domino's provide, and it's easily available everywhere. And another thing is the delivery is very fast. Yeah.
Okay. So and had it ever happened that it came after 30 minutes? Because you see, Domino's Pizza say that if they take more than 30 minutes to deliver a pizza, then you can get it for free. So had it ever happened?
Actually, Actually, there is a terms and condition. If order value is like 350 or 300 above, then that's come and it's like they were like deliver before 30 minutes. Because from my here it's too near actually within a kilometer.
No, they
It's
say
never
that
happened.
no matter what, they have to deliver within 30 minutes, or else you can take the pizza for
No,
free.
they deliver before 30 minutes, so like 25 minutes, 20 minutes.
So how do you think is that possible? For example, let's say that the pizza that you are ordering from is very far away from your home, and when the delivery boy is coming,
They
there
only
is a
take
huge
order
gap.
within 5 kilometer. They only take order from the 5 kilometers
Okay,
within
okay.
the
Let's
guarantee.
say that there is a jam. Okay, let's say there is a huge jam and there is heavy rainfall. Now, do you
Okay.
think still possible for them to do it within 30 minutes?
Actually, their time calculation is 20 minutes. Normally, the process like the baking time is 8 minutes, and the like 2 minutes for packing and 10 minutes for the like for the route. So it's 20 minutes. They even remain 10 minutes more. So its jam can be for 10 minutes within 5 kilometers. It's more than, and it's like it's again it's too much. Then like it will like they have to pay for that order. They have to give this free, but it's not happen. It's happen usually because in Kolkata I don't think so that much traffic, and the delivery boy they know
Kolkata
like
is the
3 4
most
ways.
traffic place in the
They
world. There's a lot of traffic in
but boss
Kolkata.
they were like local, you can say. They know each and every way. They know where is the home. Even they no need to follow the address and all that. First they will call you whenever they will move from outlet. Sir, where is this address? Just you will say this. Okay, sir. I will be there within 5 minutes or 2 minutes. Yeah. And they're
Okay.
doing only 2 and 3 works. Like they just arrange the some toppings on the like bread, and then they will just put for baking. Just they will bake wrap, like it's very easy actually and very quickest. And then they will put in their bag and they will start their bikes. Like so many few steps are there. Yeah.
Okay, Indesh, so do you think that it is healthier than other pizza? Domino's pizza can be? Because pizza is a
I,
young food after all, pizza, no matter what. So do you think Domino's pizza could be more healthy for
no.
your
I
health?
don't think so. I don't think so. Maybe it can, maybe it not.
But it's
I
from a
don't know
very
about
popular
this.
company, na? It's not from Mio
Yeah,
Amor or Conquest
actually,
or local
yeah, yeah,
pizza.
yeah. It's actually a very popular. Actually, it's providing a cheap price. Also, there is a like pizza mania. There is a mania option, so they provide like 60 rupees onion pizza, tomato pizza, and these are like nobody provides. Like if there is a local shop now, they were providing like 6-inch pizza and rupees 80, and that is even not eatable. Yeah.
Okay, so let's come to Naman. Okay, Naman, have you ever ordered from Domino's Pizza?
Yes, it's near my home. Just
Here your
walking
home.
distance.
Do you like it?
Nah, not really, but yeah. I just whenever I want to eat, I just take it. Just do a ticket.
Whenever you want to eat.
Yeah.
Whenever you want to eat, it can be for dinner also, lunch also, morning also. In morning for
Yeah.
breakfast, we want to eat.
Yeah.
So in breakfast, you order
Anytime.
pizza.
Yes, I have ordered.
For breakfast, pizza.
Yeah. I don't eat breakfast usually. I eat only lunch, snacks, and dinner
Why not breakfast?
because there's one term called IF, intermittent fasting. You don't know. Search on the net. So I
IFT.
don't eat breakfast. IF. I don't eat breakfast.
So can you
And
explain that concept, IFT, in brief?
Intermittent fasting is like you have like, see, how many hours is in a day? There's 24 hours, right? So what we do is we have 16 hours we don't eat anything, and for 8 hours we can eat anything. Okay. So for 16 hours is like you can only drink water. You shouldn't have anything, and then after in the 8 hours during the day, which covers from 12 o'clock to night at 8, I have my lunch, dinner, snacks. Simple.
Hmm. So why don't you like Domino's Pizza so much?
Because that is not an original pizza. Even though the New York pizza one is
Why do you
also,
think it's not an original pizza?
because it's not original. Pizza originates from Italy, and
Originate from
Italy,
kitchen.
Italy,
Oh,
Italy,
okay, okay.
not Italy, sambar, Italy.
Okay.
Okay, so it originates from Italy, or I can say in Indian English, Italy. Okay, so the Napoleon pizza, which is very famous, the Margherita pizza, the big one, the crust one, which is wooden oven. So that is the real pizza. This is not a real pizza. This is just a
So,
bread which overlaps some sauce and cheese, and then you bake it and you get a pizza. This is not a real
but people
pizza
love to eat that.
because it's cost effective, no? That's why. So now, if you tell me, Mio Amor, the quality of pizza at 35 rupees you have seen. Okay. I have tested Miyamor pizza. It is the worst pizza ever. I can say that. So that is 35 rupees, 40 rupees. Now you go higher. You go for Domino's. How much is it? 200 rupees, 300 rupees. And now you go for the most best one, around 600, 700 rupees. That is the original pizza, the brick oven pizza. That is the original pizza. So New York City style pizza is also different. That is not copied of Domino's. And Domino's is like, adhered to the Indian taste. So the real pizza have those tomatoes and all, but because of Indians love spices, so they add spices in that tomato sauce. Which if you compare about the pizzas of the Neapolitan pizza or Napoleon pizza, so that is against the law. Okay, against the laws of pizza. You should have a fresh tomato sauce with just salt and pepper, not Indian spices mixed in it. So Domino's is like an Indian fusion. Obviously, Domino's is not in India. It's owned by Jubilant Foods. It's one of the biggest franchisee networks, and it also owns the franchisee of Dunkin' Donuts. Jubilant Foods is like the biggest one. And this fast food, if you have a very good fast food retail chain or something like that, you are an instant billionaire, because this is the most profitable sector, and but the most competitive too. Yeah. So the Domino's pizza is cost around 30 rupees, but we have into 10 times, so it cost us 300 rupees. So we're eating the same thing which can be done for 30 to 40 rupees at home, anywhere. Okay. So we are paying that much, and you can assess the profit from that. Okay, let's also take about the calculation of store management, people management, and till then only you can also earn 50% of the profit. That is 150 rupees you're earning in the profit per pizza. So if you sell around 1,000 pizzas, or let's say 100 pizzas, so obviously see the profit, right? I don't think so that 100 pizza is the cap. For Domino's, I think they sell 400 to 500 pizzas per day. So yeah, calculate that and see the difference in a month, the earnings in a month. So yeah,
So from which country Domino's has started?
New York,
New York. Okay. So
US.
yeah, so do you think in India, while choosing a pizza, do you think people would go for the taste or they would go for the price? Because you see, the Domino's pizza costs more than Miomo's pizza because it is more tasty. So people would choose price or choose taste.
They will choose something which adheres to their social status. Understood?
Social status, but that may be different for everyone.
Yeah, that is what I am saying. If anybody is from a higher social status, he won't even touch Domino's and Pizza Hut. He will directly go to some big pizzeria, very famous pizzeria, which serves that brick oven and those pizzerias which cost around 2,000, 3,000 rupees per pizza. So he will go there, right? So if you are from a middle class family, like middle class status, so obviously you will go to Domino's because that is more affordable to you, right? You won't go to the 2,000 rupees pizza. Those 30, 40 rupees pizzas are the people who are very much, I would say, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so Domino's.
Yeah, so those 30 rupees, 40 rupees pizzas, which people buy,
Lower class? Not lower class. Even I have also eaten from Miyamor sometime. 30, 40 rupees pizza just for fun. Because you see, during childhood, everybody loves to eat junk food. Right now, I
No,
don't eat
it
so
is
much
not
junk
the
food.
lower class people who do.
Then who? The kids?
No, these are the people who are very much full of misery.
Of
Okay.
misery.
Yeah.
Can you explain?
You don't know the word of misery, so I won't explain. Search in the net.
No,
This is a
misery
very
I know, but what you
so,
I know the meaning of misery.
conjuice. So if you are like saving the money and don't want to spend on these things, they go to Myanmar. Suppose if you
No.
want to give a party, okay,
Yeah.
small party to your friends, would you choose Domino's or Mio Amor?
Of course, I will go for Mio Amor.
so
Why should I spend so much money
so that is the thing.
on feeding my
Okay.
friends?
Yeah. So that is the thing.
No,
I will go
not
to
like
Domino's
that. I
to
have
give
also
the
seen
party.
people eating from Mio Amor too. The passers by, middle class.
Yeah. What? What was that?
No, even I have also eaten from Mio Amor when I was a child. I
Yeah,
love
I
to eat
also
from
had
Mio.
Mio Amor, but it was not tasty. That's why I had only once Mio Amor pizza. It was Mongini's, not Mio Amor. When I was there, it was nearby my home, just walking distance. See, I am in a strategic location that Pizza Hut, Domino's, KFC, Wow Momo, everything is in walking distance from me. Okay, if you want to go watch a movie, just cross my street. There's a movie theater. If you want to go to watch, eat something, there's Arsalan here. There's that Aminia here.
Armenia.
Everything is there. So, so the thing is like I have seen all the misery people going to Mio Amor.
Very. So, why do you think most of the people are miserable? Okay, Indeed.
Yeah.
Why do you think most
Inder-
people are miserable? Many people
इंदर
that they
बताओ कि
always
लोग कंजूस
party,
क्यों होते हैं?
drink. Huh?
इंदर
Okay.
बताओ कि लोग कंजूस क्यों होते हैं?
ये तो बहुत ही टफ क्वेश्चन पूछा है रित्रो ने, बट ट्राई करते हैं आंसर देने का। बहुत जाहिर सा बात है, जेब में पैसा नहीं रहता इसीलिए, और किस लिए?
जेब में पैसा नहीं
जेब में
रहता
पैसा तो
है
है।
कि
मैं बता रहा हूँ, ऑफ कोर्स। हेलो।
हाँ बोलो बोलो।
ये कुछ हद तक सही है। 50% 60% तक बोल सकते हैं पैसे में, जेब में पैसा नहीं रहता है। और 40% होता है ना, सोच बोल सकते हैं। कुछ लोग होते हैं जो सारा दिन ये सोचते हैं कि पैसा बचाना कैसे, यहाँ से वहां तक जाएं तो पैसा बचेगा कैसे। और कुछ लोग ये होते हैं, मेरा मानना है पर्सनली, कुछ लोग होते हैं कि नहीं पता नहीं, कि जितना हम पैसा बचाने के बारे में सोचते हैं उसका 10% भी अगर ये सोचे कि और पैसा कैसे कमाया जाए तो इतना सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा पैसा बचाने के बारे में। दोनों ही सही है अपनी जगह पर। अगर आप ऐसा सोच के भी चलते हैं कि पैसा बचाना है तो ये भी सही है, पैसा कम खर्च होंगे, कम अर्न करना पड़ेगा, पर आप खर्च भी कम करोगे। अगर ऐसा है कि खर्च ज्यादा करना है तो फिर ये सोचो ज्यादा कैसे कमाना है। सिंपल सा बात है। कंजूसी बोल के मतलब क्या है? मैनेजमेंट ही तो है कंजूसी। और क्या है कि पैसे बचाने हैं, और क्या है कंजूसी? यही तो है। बस ये है कि जहाँ पे कुछ ढंग का काम कर लेना चाहिए बाकी लोगों के कंपेयर में, वहां पर भी वो ढंग का काम नहीं कर सकते, थोड़ा लो स्टेटस वाला काम करते हैं, तो उसको कंजूसी में डाल सकते हैं। लाइक अगर बेटी की शादी है या बहन की शादी है तो वहां पे खर्चा करना चाहिए, वहां भी कम खर्चा कर दिया तो उसको कंजूस बोल सकते हैं। बस ये हुआ एक मैनेजमेंट ही पैसा बचाने का। बैड मैनेजमेंट को बोल सकते हैं कंजूसी।
और इतरो से ना बर्थडे पार्टी मत मांगना।
हाँ भाई मैं समझ गया, नहीं
हाँ।
मांगूंगा।
नहीं बोला। नहीं बर्थडे पार्टी में आओगे तुम लोग, खिलाऊंगा।
हाँ तो हम लोग
कब है भाई
कलकत्ता
birthday?
में रहते हैं, हम और इंदर
हाँ
कलकत्ता में
इनवाइट
वही
करूंगा
तो।
तो अगले साल ही इनवाइट
भाई
करूंगा तुम लोग।
सोच समझ के नाप तोल के बोल देना, दमक जाएंगे। किस दिन है बर्थडे?
Even I live in Kolkata, यार।
अरे सभी हम लोग कलकत्ता निवासी है भाई।
हाँ सबको बुलाएंगे, सबको बुलाएंगे।
कब
खाना खाना
बुलाएगा?
है ना, खा के जाना।
तू पता है क्या करेगा? तू बोलेगा, तू बताएगा नहीं बर्थडे किस है, तू अगला दिन बताएगा बर्थडे के कि मेरा कल बर्थडे था। तू ये करेगा।
अब मोंगनीज का पिज्जा नहीं चलेगा।
तो उसको बोलेगा जाके वुड ब्रिक ओवन पिज्जा लेके आ।
Okay, sure. So, okay, any competitors of Domino's, Naman? That any company that can compete with Domino's?
और इतरोस पिज़्ज़ेरिया।
I guess.
No, I am not planning to open any pizza shop.
Pizza Hut.
Any other? Pizza Hut? Have you
Pizza
eaten
Hut
from
can
Pizza
be,
Hut?
yeah.
One is Pizza Hut, second is Oritro's Pizzeria.
No, not mine. I don't have any pizza shop.
Yes,
But,
you
yeah,
have.
No,
you
no,
have
no.
which caters to Indo-Italian cuisine. That you have a butter paneer pizza, you have a butter chicken pizza, you have special
Paneer pizza.
curry pizza, chai bread pizza, pizza toast. What else do you want? See, I gave you so many
Well-
menus. Auditro, now
well
open a
loaded.
pizzeria. You will be famous.
Well, I will think about that later. Okay, Pizza Hut. Have you eaten from Pizza Hut? Naman?
Well, Pizza Hut, if you say, Pizza Hut is near my home. If I jump from my window, I will be landing on Pizza Hut.
Okay. Have
Okay.
you ordered anytime? from Pizza Hut?
What happened was, every time after my tuition ended, every 2 weeks we used to had a pizza in Pizza Hut. Our friends used to go to Pizza Hut. I also used to go to Pizza Hut and KFC nearby everything. We used to have Pizza Hut every 2 weeks. So I know the taste of Pizza Hut. Domino's also.
Was it better
But-
than Domino's?
What I do is, when I get a pizza from Domino's in my home, I actually take olive oil and drip on it. I usually don't, order pizza which is full of toppings and all. I only order margherita pizza, which is the classic one. I eat that one. So I dribble some olive oil and the taste is superb. Try that once, you will see the taste. Pizza Hut is like little bit more quantity, but little bit more expensive.
More quantity means more expense. Very simple. But the
Yeah,
taste,
so Domino's is also known for conjuicy, but Pizza Hut gives vegetables per vegetables. Okay, so yeah.
okay, in there, what about you? Have you ever ordered from Pizza Hut?
Yeah, I ordered.
Was it
Inder
did it
knows
taste
na,
better?
Inder you know na, Hathi Bagan Pizza Hut.
Yeah.
Inder,
Yeah, I know, of course.
you know that KFC Pizza Hut Wow Momo in that junction.
Yeah. I
Auditro, you are to Bengali. You do not visit Hathi Bagan?
It's never possible.
No, I have
Auditro,
visited. Yeah, I
so
have
you have
visited before.
visited. You
Yeah.
never went to the KFC or Pizza Hut there?
Look, I have never eaten from Pizza Hut. That's the thing. Never ordered anything from Pizza Hut.
Okay.
And Domino's, when I was a child, much more younger, then maybe in a year for once or twice in a year, I ordered from Domino's.
So what do you
In
eat
Pizza
now?
Hut-
Mio Amor?
No, Mio Amor also very rare because you see, I was
So
not
what
so,
do you
no,
eat?
yeah,
So what do you eat? What pizza do you eat?
mostly I would have gone for Domino's. But right now, I don't eat any kind of pizza or any
Why
kind
so
of
much
stuff.
conjuicy, yaar? Why so much misery?
You,
Go and
kya
eat.
hua?
Go and eat something. Pizza. Hut.
No,
Aditya,
no, I
are you
am not so fan
ignoring?
of junk food actually.
Yes, Preeti, you were saying something?
Yeah, I was asking Aditya, why are you not eating outside food like due to COVID?
No, not due to COVID. Actually, I am not so fan of junk food. I don't. Junk food is not so good for health. When I was
अरे वो तो
when I
अभी
was younger, I used to eat a lot.
only for his impression he is saying that I don't eat junk food, but behind the back he eats junk food. You don't eat from KFC, tell me.
No,
No
I don't
KFC.
think.
Okay,
I don't
do
think
you eat,
only one time in my life I have ordered from KFC. Only once.
do you eat pakoda in your home?
No.
Do you eat burger in your home?
Why should I tell all the information about what I eat and what I don't eat?
So I
Come on,
told you
Naman.
now one thing is damn sure that you eat junk food. It's not like that. It cannot happen.
Yeah,
Until unless
Yeah, you can think
bodybuilding
so,
or doing that
but
stuff.
I am not so fan of junk food. It's bad for health.
समझ जाओ.
Aditya
अच्छा.
is on a healthy diet.
Oh,
Yeah?
sorry, bro. Healthy diet. What do
Yeah?
you eat in the morning? Tell me, what do you eat?
I don't give any personal information to anyone.
Personally,
Yeah, that's
Preeti, is this
personal. Obviously,
personal
what I eat,
information
what
I'm
I don't
asking?
eat, why should I share it in public
Acha,
place?
suggest me some healthy food. Also,
What kind of food?
healthy food.
Okay, let's not talk about it right now. It's getting awkward. We are getting out of the topic. The topic is Domino's
Yeah,
Pizza. Let's pray to Domino's.
we should stop the recording right now.
No, not now.
It is-
It's still a lot of time left. It's only 10:26. We should wait for at least 10 more
4
minutes.
minutes. Why yesterday you left in at 10:30?
Yesterday I was in a hurry. I had some
So
other work to
why
do.
we can end it on 10:30 then?
Naman, let's get back to the topic. After that, we will discuss it.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, Preeti, anything about Domino's you want to say? Any kind of opinion?
I have lots of memories with Domino's.
Yeah, please share.
Near our college, I read. There's a Domino's,
Hmm.
in
You
Pizza
have a
Mode. So,
cafe in your college also, no?
yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, you
So
ordered
there we just
during college.
went to the hangout and all. No, after college we just go out for the hangout for just for fun with our friends and all.
No, anything about Domino's, not about Hangout. Anything else you want to share about your experience?
If you compare Pizza Hut and Domino's, so I like Domino's pizza more than Pizza Hut
Why? Why
because
better?
because I I've just tried Pizza Hut for once and I don't like the taste of that baked pizza. So
Big pizza. Pizza Hut is small. The Pizza Hut, is it small? Like Mio Amor.
Pizza Hut serving is good,
No, the size.
and
The
their
size I'm
services
talking
is much
about.
better.
It is smaller as compared to Domino's.
no.
No. Side.
Just say.
Price is also bigger. Actually, Pizza
Your voice is breaking in there.
Now am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Hello.
Yeah, you're audible.
I'm saying actually Pizza Hut is also very good. We can say it's quite similar, at like very 19-20 differences, but even shorter.
Hmm. Okay, so let's end the discussion here.
And one more thing is about like ordering from
Yeah, say.
like Pizza Hut, the range is like kind of 99. Later it's between 250 near 200.
Voice is breaking in there.
Okay, now it's coming.
Yeah.
Like in Domino's Pizza, you can order 60, then you can order like 120, you can order 160, you can order 220, end of this. You can all ranges are there. But in Pizza Hut, you have to order 99. Then I guess it's 175 or 225 near about. And later it's 350. After this 500. Like the range are big.
Hmm.
Yeah, and for one person it's like yeah, you want. I think you have to show on the budget.
Okay, so that's it for today. Anyway, thank you for coming. Good night.